Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most talked about items in the music gear universe. Today, we're taking a close look at what many call the best Cajon drum box percussion instrument on the market, the Clapbox Cajon CB50. Let's find out why this particular model has become the go-to for musicians across skill levels and genres. At first glance, the CB50 impresses with its sleek, matte black design, giving it a bold stage presence. But this isn't just about looks, the real beauty lies in its build. Crafted from high-quality oak wood, the Cajon delivers a rich, full-bodied tone. The oak body gives it durability, resonance, and that unmistakable warmth percussionists crave. This is a drum box that doesn't just sound good, it feels solid, from the first slap to the final bass thump. The dimensions sit at a comfortable 20 inches high, 12 inches wide, and 12 inches deep. That may seem standard, but the feel is far from ordinary. You can tell right away that this drum box was made with player comfort in mind. It fits neatly between your legs, offering ergonomic support whether you're seated for a long jam session or a live gig. Inside, Clapbox has outfitted the CB50 with 3 internal snares, and that's where the magic really starts. These snares deliver a crisp, responsive sound that cuts through without overpowering the tone. Whether you're laying down a flamenco rhythm, jazz groove, or acoustic accompaniment, the snare action gives you that iconic snap on every strike. Now here's a detail that stands out. This Cajon is proudly not made in China. That's a big deal for players who care about where their instruments come from and want to support diversified craftsmanship. Clapbox is clearly proud of that fact, and it shows in their attention to detail and quality control. One thing to appreciate about the CB50 is its versatility. The low-end tones are deep and punchy, providing that kick drum effect, while the highs are sharp and articulate, perfect for slap and tap techniques. Beginners will find it forgiving, yet responsive, while pros can explore dynamic range and expressive play with ease. And it doesn't stop there. Clapbox includes some bonus features, though they don't overcomplicate things. You're getting a well-built, studio-ready Cajon that performs straight out of the box. There's no need for additional tweaking or modification, which is exactly what you want when you're focused on creating music, not fixing gear. Transport is easy, too. The box is lightweight yet solid, making it a great choice for street performers, worship teams, and touring musicians. Whether you're at an open mic night or a full stage performance, this Cajon transitions seamlessly between rehearsal and spotlight. It's not just about sounding great, it's about having an instrument that inspires you to play more, to push your rhythm boundaries, and to enjoy every beat. From construction to sound performance, from value to presentation, this drum box doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this Cajon drum sounds like the perfect rhythm partner for you, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, keep the groove alive.